Yacht Show. This is the third time, and we're bringing three big boats, 88, 95 and 101. The Abu Dhabi Yacht Show is a promising yacht show for the future. We hope that it will pick up more customer and more exhibitor in the future.
Good morning, I'm Massimo Grazzi from Italy, from Genoa. I'm a ship broker and I'm here for the first time. I think it's a show that is growing better. I had information about the last year. They had some perspective to grow. I think that it's good to stay here because there are a lot of possibility to know possible partner, constructor, shipyards, and usually I work on the Russian market. I want to create a triangle between Italy, Russia and Middle East to sell boat, used boat, and to try to create this partnership between these three people. I had a lot of contacts, very good contact, a lot of people asking for our products, and so I'm very happy. I think that I come back again, sure.
We are Giada Design, we come from Italy, and it's the first time here to the Abu Dhabi Yacht Show. We went here because we produce very luxury and high quality articles made in Italy, in north of Italy, Piemonte. Today is Friday, as you know, so many people is free, and we have a lot of people coming. They are very interested because we have special things and very beautiful. We have seen a lot of interest, so for sure we will be there next year because we are looking and meeting many people, so it will be a great opportunity to be here next year as well.
My name is Giangiacomo Zino. I'm the business development manager for Mariotti Group. It means Mariotti Shipyard and Mariotti Yachts. We know that the market is important, it's strategical, it's also particular, so it takes time. It's different from what we do in Europe, but we believe in this market, so this is the reason why we came back. We keep coming back. This is the first time we can come back because, I repeat, this is an investment for us, and we understand that it's not an investment that you can realize in 1 year. You need more time, and we invest time. So this is the reason why on the first time we are returned to Abu Dhabi. We wish to come back next year. We will evaluate, but I repeat, we need to see the overall, the investment in overall, so in general. So I think that we have a great opportunity to come back.
The Abu Dhabi Yacht Show is still in full activity here. We have another day to go tomorrow, but it's now in its third edition. And you know, that's always a test edition. We say the first edition always pulls in the curiosity. The second edition and the first edition was good, people come back. But the third edition is when you still start, you know, to notice whether this event is a maturing event. And we're happy to see that indeed Abu Dhabi has not only pushed this event to show that Abu Dhabi is serious about the super yacht industry, but also that it believes that Abu Dhabi can turn into a hub for the yachting industry for the entire region, for the entire Middle East. This show is an example of that, that successful vision, I guess.